So here we're in ALEKS, and we're going to be graphing the inverse of a function given its graph. So the very first thing we need to do is we need to identify the major landmarks, which are here, here, and here. Now these are not part of my answer. I was just using that to show y'all where they were. We need to identify those ordered pairs. Okay. So the very first one, that's going to be at -1, -2, -3, and +2. So -3, +2. What we're going to do is we're going to take that ordered pair and flip the x and y coordinates. So instead of -3, +2, we're going to have +2, -3. And we're going to plot that point. +2, -3. Okay. Then we're going to take the second point where the graph turns. Its original point is 0, 4. We're going to take that x and y value and flip them around. Instead of 0, 4, we're going to do 4, 0 and plot a point. Then we're going to take this last one. That is 7, 5. Take the x and y values, flip them around. Instead of 7, 5, we're going to do 5, 7 and plot that point. Okay. And then to connect it, we're going to go through all the points and connect the dots. What should happen is if we were to graph y equals x, and you don't have to graph this, I'm just showing you what happens. Look at how that graph, the blue versus the black, it really flips over that line. That should go in the very center of them. That is not part of your answer. Okay, so identify the major places, the beginning, the end, anywhere it turns. Find those ordered pairs, flip them around. Okay, let's do another one. Again, find the first ordered pair. It's -2, -4. We're going to flip that around, so -4, -2, and put an ordered pair. Take the first place it turns right here. That's going to be -3, 2. We're going to flip that around so that we get that was 2, -3. I apologize. So it's 2, -3. We're going to flip it around so we get -3, 2. Then we're going to take the next place it turns, which is 7, 3. We're going to flip that around so we get 3, 7. And the very end of it is at 8, 7. So we're going to flip that around to get 7, 8. Get your segment tool, start at the very first point, go to the second point. Grab another segment, start at the second point, go to the third. Grab another segment, go from the third to the fourth. I'm going to do one more just to show y'all, make sure we can see this reflection going on. You should be able to see how it's the exact same distance away from that red line on both sides of it. The black graph versus the blue graph. It is the reflection across the line y equals x. Okay, again, that line was not part of your answer. It's just so y'all can see a little bit more clearly how this graph is moving around. Okay. Last one. The first ordered pair was -8, -7. So we're going to flip that around to get -7, -8. So that didn't move far. It turns right here at the y-axis, so that's 0, -6. We're going to flip that around to get -6, 0. And then the end point was at 5, -3. So we're going to put -3 and 5. Go to connect the dots. First dot to second dot. Get your new segment. Second dot to third dot. And again, I'm just going to graph that original to make sure it's going that y equals x. It goes straight through. Everything is mirror image on each side of that red line. Okay. Oh, I undid that last segment. My bad. There we go.